I'm almost done, but I'm not. We are leaving tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to leave it on for a little bit longer. Yeah, it fits. Okay, so we are getting ready to pack. We were actually gonna pack yesterday, but we ended up not, so we're leaving everything to the last minute. I kind of packed on Sunday, like my clothes, but I'm gonna go back and pack some stuff, also like my makeup, just pretty much check that everything is ready, because tomorrow at 4 in the morning we are leaving to Disneyland again. We are Magic Key holders, that's why we do go to Disney a lot, but I do think that this year will be our last time being Magic Key holders, just because it is too much money. The price keeps going up, so I think this is definitely gonna be our last year being Magic Key holder, so we want to take advantage. Right now we are heading to Target, and then I think we're gonna stop at the Dollar Tree because I do need to get a beauty sponge, and we're just gonna shop around for some last minute things that we need, because like I said, we are leaving tomorrow. So we are right now at Target, so let's go see what we have and what we need. Do we know what we need? We're gonna get some Ghost and some coconut water and some snacks for on the road and when we're at Disney, because sometimes like we don't want to buy like chips from there because it's like $2 or something like that for a small bag. $5?
I think it's $5.
I don't know what the price is, but we like to get like some snacks before we go, also like some other things that we might need. I thought we might need some other stuff, which I need to check my notes, but that's what we're gonna do today. So let's go ahead and go. And this is a convenient place because look, Target is right there and then the Dollar Tree is right there, so we're just gonna go to both of these. We'll get this one. This one doesn't say kills germs. We'll do this one then. This one kills 99.9% of germs. So we have disinfectant and then some cleaning detergent, because we are thinking of cleaning. 2 of them?
No, just one.
Oh, okay, so we just finished our shopping. We went to the Dollar Tree and then we ended up at Target. Now we're just gonna go clean the inside of the car, and I ended up getting some snacks. I'll show you guys everything we got. Probably once we park the car, I'll show you guys kind of what we got. I ended up getting these Pringles. What are these? Pringle Mingles. And I got the jalapeno and queso because I really wanted some like something crunchy and cheesy. And these, I really like these. If you like the jalapeno hot Cheetos, I feel like you will like these. Also, they're like in between a Cheeto and a puff, so like it's not too airy like a puff, but they're not hard like a Cheeto, so they're like right in between, but they look like this. They had cheddar and jalapeno, and I really wanted the jalapeno ones because I like something a little spicy. I really like these. So we just finished cleaning. We just wanted to do like a little clean, a little fast clean, just because we are going to be driving really far. We were thinking of like cleaning the outside, but we decided not to, because every time we drive there, like honestly, once we hit onto like the I-5, the back roads or whatever, we start hitting like a lot of bugs, so there's like no need to clean it. So we decided to just opt out on the outside clean, plus it's not that dirty. We just cleaned the inside, so now it looks nice and spotless, I guess. So let me show you guys what we ended up getting at Target first, since I have the bag right here. We ended up getting some Doritos. So this is gonna be for our 6-day trip, right? 6-day trip. They like work perfect for like snacking on the road, on the way back, also like when we're in the hotel just like eating, chilling, or when we're at Disneyland. I also got these, which I'm gonna take with me tomorrow since we are leaving tomorrow, and I already opened them and I told you guys about it. These are the Pringles Mingles in the flavor jalapenos and queso. The nachos were the spicy nachos. Oh, and then at Target we also ended up getting toothpaste and 2 Ghost. This is strawberry mango and orange cream. We got 2 coconut waters. These are, I believe these are the Target brands, so 2 of these because we do get really dehydrated. And then we got some sparkling water. We never tried these, so we're hoping they're good. We got them in the flavor Tropsicle. and strawberry lemonade. Again, we haven't tried these, so we're hoping they're good. There are only 10 calories each, 30 calories because it has 3 servings. And then last thing that I got was this heating spray for my hair. I never tried this. I did needed a heat protectant, so I wanted to get one at Target. For the Dollar Tree, we ended up getting this disinfecting wipes. I always feel like I need to clean the room because I always feel like, I don't know, I've seen so many TikToks, so I'm always like questioning and if it's like super clean. So we always like to take these, plus these work for in case you spill something when you're in the room, or you know, you always need cleaning wipes. These that I got do say they kill 99.9% of bacteria in 15 seconds, so make sure it's nice and wet. This time we decided that we wanted to wash our clothes before coming back, so we ended up getting this like small detergent and these scent fresheners for your clothes. These little beads. It's only 1 dose, so yeah, I guess that's fine. So we ended up getting these from the Dollar Tree. For snacks, this is, oh, there's no snack. I'm kind of weird. I really do like chocolate covered raisins, so I got myself some chocolate covered raisins because that's like the only chocolate that I kind of crave sometimes. And I got these gummy worms. Again, these are perfect for Disneyland or just on the road or whatever. And then he ended up getting some Sour Patch Kids and some Snickers. These are mini, so they're like bite size. I was thinking of washing my sponges for my face, but I was like, I'm just gonna buy some. But they didn't have the ones that I wanted, so I ended up trying these. They come in 2. Personally, it comes with like 2 different shapes, and personally I prefer this shape. Not a big fan of the other one, but whatever. You know, I've tried the Dollar Tree ones before and I was kind of hoping for the other ones, but I'll try these. These are fine. And then just because I think I saw somewhere on a TikTok that apparently this setting powder is supposed to be like really good from the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to try it. This is Perlux Cosmetics, but they had different colors. I didn't know what the difference was, so I just went with the pink one. I just got a little traveling size toothpaste, and that is it for our little haul. Yeah, that was it. So now I'm just gonna go home. I'm gonna finish packing. I think most of these stuff we're just gonna leave in the car, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on our morning road trip. Okay, I'll show you guys what I'm taking so far. I haven't finished. Honestly, I should probably start packing because it's getting kind of late. So I'll show you guys some of the skincare that I'm taking. I have 2 moisturizers. This one is the Neutrogena Hydro Blast water cream, and I'm taking this Bond's rejuvenating moisturizer, and I like this one to wear at night and then this one at day during the day because I feel like it doesn't leave my skin super oily, but sometimes I feel like at night I really need some moisture. And then I have this Dove Body Love. It says it's good for your face, body, and your whole, like for your face and body. I tried this on my face. It was making me not break out, but it was giving me little bumps. So I don't use this on my face. I do like using this on my body. And like I said, I got this at the Dollar Tree. And then I'm taking these 2, pretty much it came in a kit. I got it for Christmas. It is a body lotion and a body gel, like a bath and shower gel. Like I said, these came in a set. This set came with like the actual perfume, these 2, and this one right here. I do like to use a body mist or a perfume at night, so I decided to take this one just because it is small. I don't want to take like really big stuff. And then I do have this cologne. I don't wear it as often, but I really want to wear it down there because I feel like it smells really good and I don't need too many pumps. So I want to take this one, but I don't want to take the whole container. So I got these like little travel body perfumes a while ago, so I'm gonna just go ahead and transfer this in here. That way I don't take the whole bottle. I like to take some sheet masks when I go down there or whenever I'm traveling somewhere, just because I feel like sometimes my skin just needs extra hydration. That's why I'm taking these 2 different lotions. But yeah, I'm taking these 2. And then I'm gonna try to do this one at night later on. This is just the honey collagen. And this is what that one looks like. This one I'm gonna try to do later before I go to sleep, so I can have a nice skin prep. And then in this little travel like spray, I have the Micellar Water makeup remover, so I like to use this, and I love these cloths. This one technically is the makeup eraser, and you take your makeup off and then you wash it and then you reuse it, so I really love these. I have a couple of them, but I'm only gonna take this black one just because it is black and it doesn't look all messy. Like I have a blue one. I do like using like a non-black one because I feel like I'm also able to see how much makeup I have removed and if there's still any makeup on my face. But I'm just going to take this black one just because, like I said, it looks kind of gross. And I am going to be there with my boyfriend, so it's kind of weird. He's going to be seeing my makeup rag and it's going to be like, ew, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so yeah, so I have this makeup remover and the Micellar Water. I'll show you guys the container. This is the Micellar Water. As you can tell, I'm almost done. I really like buying this really big one because I feel like it lasts you such a long time, but I like putting it in a little spray bottle, and I've had it in here for a while. Plus it's perfect for traveling. And then of course my little makeup, what is this, like a headband, just little ears. I wash these just because it does get really dirty. But I think that's it for like skincare, and then I'm gonna go take a shower and do my hair so I can actually start finishing cleaning, packing, and then probably do this sheet mask just so I can like feel more relaxed and my skin's like soothing or whatever. But I feel like once I do my hair, I can finally start packing because I can't really pack my tools and then take them out so I can redo my hair. Oh, and then of course I'm gonna also take my heat protectant. This one obviously you guys saw me go get it, and then I like to put a scrunchie in here, so I'm just gonna keep it there. And I almost forgot, I'm also gonna take a brush. This is like my little travel size one, so I'll just throw that in there. I have more brushes in the bathroom, so I don't have to worry about that. But I think right now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pretty much put some of this in here and I guess shower. I hope it works. It usually does. Technically with these, you just want to take this top off. Let's see if it works. Oh, yeah. Oh, is it gonna fit? Yeah, it fits. So I'm just gonna fill it up. So I just got out the shower. All I put on was moisturizer, but I wanted to try the Pheno mask again. I haven't tried it honestly since the last video that I made. Literally like haven't touched it, but I wanted to try it today because I really suffer with like really frizzy hair. I'm hoping if I try it differently this time it might work. I think last time that I tried it, I pretty much just used and then maybe some like hair oil and this and nothing else. But today I used shampoo, conditioner, which I usually don't do, but I've noticed that conditioner doesn't give me like super frizzy hair if I don't use too much of it. So I'm gonna try this. I think you're supposed to leave it on for like 10 minutes, but I'm gonna try to leave it on for a little bit longer, like maybe 30 minutes. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna use rejuvenating keratin hair shine and leave-in treatment for damaged hair. I really like the way it smells. It's supposed to help increase moisture, tame frizz, and it has gives you some shine because of the argan oil. Helps tingle and condition. So I'm gonna apply this after I wash this off, and then some heat protectant. So I'm just gonna apply this for like 30 minutes. We'll just see what it does. Honestly, I don't remember if I'm supposed to add a lot of it or if I'm just supposed to apply a little bit. Okay, so I just finished my hair. I ended up leaving the mask for honestly an hour because during that time I ended up painting my toenails and my nails. I was gonna do something like different with some gel polish, but instead I'm just using this instant dry nail polish. I don't know where I left it, but I am gonna take it with me because sometimes like it chips. That's why I like using gel. But I don't have time to do that right now, so I'm just gonna do something easy. But this is what I ended up using in my hair. So you guys saw me use the Pheno hair mask. I left it for an hour. After I came out, I did use heat protectant and Rue, I think it's called Rue Repair and Shine. And then I did a little bit of this leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. And I did notice that like the top of my hair is a little frizzy, but I don't want to add any like creams and stuff. I'll probably add maybe some hairspray but maybe tomorrow because I don't want to add anything to my hair because my scalp gets very greasy lately. I don't know why, so I don't really want to touch it. I saw that they had dry shampoo at Dollar Tree, so I was like, let me try it. It's volumizing. Never used this specific brand. I've used some, I want to say like 2 different types. I've done a powder one, like an actual liquid, like an actual powder. I don't remember the brand. I got it like a long time. I think it was on sale like at Marshall's like years ago. And then if you guys saw my last video, I do use loose powder, translucent powder, but I don't have any that I want to take. Like I only use that like hack whenever I'm at home. I do want to try this, so we'll see how that works. I'm almost done, but I'm not. I need to really get my things together and finish. I just need to pack all of my like skincare and what else, other stuff. I already packed all of my clothes, but I just need to fix my skincare, my Mickey ears that are right behind me, and pretty much get ready to go to sleep. Okay, I have officially finished packing. I am all set. All I have to pretty much put in my luggage tomorrow is my makeup case. Other than that, I'm done with everything. I am gonna go ahead and put this mask on and take half a melatonin because I have to wake up, what time tomorrow? 3. I have to wake up at 3. Pretty much get ready just because I feel like when I don't wear makeup, I look even more tired. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, take half a melatonin, and go to sleep. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm waiting for the mascara to dry so I can dry it up. What the? We are gonna be heading down to Disney. It is 4:16. You guys, we just made it into this big fog.
Oh God, I'm scared. Okay, I'm about to do it. I'm doing it. I'm going all the way. Shut up.
So cute.